Welcome to our live show, guys. Can you hear me? Welcome to our live show, guys. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil small-scale production line. I will introduce the free installation 1 ton per hour palm oil production line, 1 to 2 tons, and 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. If you are interested in palm oil and palm kernel oil or other edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show. We're doing holdings. We have 14 years experience in manufacturing edible oil equipment. We can provide a single machine or entire process edible oil equipment. So if you have any question, you can enter our live show. I will use our picture or our 3D surrounding video let you to learn about our equipment, learn about the process. Our company is mainly produce edible oil equipment such as serving oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and edible oil, and sesame oil, flaxseed oil, and so on, palm oil, palm kernel oil. Many kinds of edible oil equipment we can provide for you, and the entire process equipment we have, such as pre-treatment and the press machine, the solvent extraction oil machine, and refinery machine. Except this machine, we also have fractionation machine, dewaxing machine, and winterization machine. If you have any question, you can enter our live show and type your question in comment area. Our company has its own factory and engineer team. We can support specialized customization. And if you are interested in equipment, and if you want to visit our factory, we can arrange right sales manager for you and introduce for you. Our company is established in 2011, and our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. We welcome you. Visit us and communicate with us. Okay, now I'm showing the 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line. This palm oil production line don't need more installation time, because you can say it constitutes of 3 containers, and this equipment is installed before transport, so it can save you installation time. This palm oil production line has a processing capacity is 1 ton per hour. It has entire process equipment. Palm oil process include sterilization, thrashing, digesting, pressing, clarification, filtering, and drying. These steps, this pre-installation palm oil production line include this step equipment. Welcome guys to our live show. This picture is showing remove impurities from the plate filter and treat the biogas and the biomass gas. Okay. The next second video is 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. You can see this palm oil production line has higher degree of automatic. First step is sterilization. Workers unload the FFB free, the fresh palm fruit bunches into the fruit cage, and you can see for fruit cage, for fan-shaped fruit cage can put into the each sterilizer. This is sterilizer. The FFB will be heated in the sterilizer. This sterilizer has higher degree of automatic. It uses hydraulic door. Don't need worker to control, and the sterilization time will be reduced to 60 minutes to 90 minutes. This room is biomass boiler room. This is a biomass boiler. It heats water, then the water vapor sent to each equipment makes the crude palm oil be liquid. After sterilization, the crane lifts fruit cage, then put it on the shelf. After sterilization, the FFB will become softened and easier to remove palm fruit. The second step is thrashing. This equipment is a drum-type thrasher. It is so long, so the palm fruit bunches can stay inside longer time. It will be cleaner. After thrashing, the palm fruit will force down to the conveyor, and the empty palm fruit bunches will force out from the tail of thrasher. Next step is digesting. The palm fruit be transported to the digester through conveyor. This is digester. This is a vertical digester. Because of it structure, the palm fruit can stay inside longer time and destroy more completely. This digester inside has heat coil and blending. The palm fruit structure will be destroyed. During digesting, a little crude palm fruit, crude palm oil will flow out, and this is a oil collecting tank in the lower pipeline. It can collect this crude palm oil. This 2 yellow machine is double screw palm oil, palm fruit screw, double screw palm oil presser. The double screw palm oil presser has 2 screws, and its process is move to each other, and then the crude palm oil will be discharged. This double screw palm oil presser has higher capacity. Its capacity is more than 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it has low waste. This double screw presser fit suitable for production line. Okay, after pressing, we can get crude palm oil, but it can't transport to refinery step directly, because the crude palm oil inside has many impurities such as pure, kernel, fiber, mud, and other dirty parts. So the crude palm oil need to be cleaned. In the production line, we call that clarification. And next step is clarification. This machine is the first clarification equipment. This is a vibrating screen. You can see there it has two layers kind of filtering the impurities from crude palm oil. And after filtering, the crude palm oil flow to the last layer and then flow into this clarification tank. The crude palm oil flow inside the clarification tank from middle and the lower part. Then in the clarification tank settle. After settling, the impurities will be settled to the lower part. So the lower part is dirty oil and the upper part is clean oil. And you can see this like hopper shape device is the overflow device. And the clean oil will overflow in this hopper, and then will be always taken to the next step. Welcome guys, now I'm showing the palm oil production line, and I will introduce the palm oil process. If you're interested in edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. The last filtering equipment is this plate filter. There has many filter close to filtering the small impurities from crude palm oil. After clarification and the filtering process, the crude palm oil will be cleaner. But the crude palm oil inside has water need to be removed. So the last step is drying. This equipment is a vacuum dryer. This device first be vacuumized, and then the palm oil be pumped inside, be boiled. After boiling, the water vapor sent to the water jet pump be collected, and the crude palm oil be pumped to the oil storage tank. Welcome to our live show, guys. Welcome. If you have any question, you can enter our live show. Our company is mainly produce edible oil equipment such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and soybean oil, sesame oil, and so on. Many kinds of oil equipment we can provide for you. Now I'm using this 3D video to show our palm oil production line. We have different scales palm oil production line. Today our topic is recommended small scales palm oil production line. This video is 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. It has entire process equipment and has high degree of automatic. Don't need more worker. Can give you high quality, high efficiency, and low oil waste. If you are interested in our equipment, or if you have some need, you can type them on comment area. I will introduce for you, and our assistant can reply it for you. In the comment area, there also has our contact information. You can find that and send a private message or an email for us. This video is 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. it is fully automatic. Don't need a worker to control crane, transport the FFB. We set the inclined conveyor. It can transport the palm fruit to the sterilizer for sterilization. You can see this sterilizer hasn't food cage. It uses direct water vapor to heat FFB, and sterilization time will be less. It just needs 60 minutes to 8 to 90 minutes. This is first sterilization step. The next step is thrashing step. This is our drum type thrasher. It is 2.5 meters so long, so the palm fruit can stay inside longer time. The third step is digesting. This is our vertical digester. It inside has heat coil and blending. The palm fruit inside will be destroy structure. And this is oil collection tank. It can collect the crude palm oil during digesting. After digesting, the palm fruit goes straight forth into the presser. This is a double screw palm oil presser. After pressing, we can get the crude palm oil, and we use this tank to clarification, remove the crude oil inside impurities. The crude palm oil be settled inside in the clarification tank, and the upper part is the overflow device. Clean oil overflow to the device and then be pumped to the second clarification tank. This is vibrating screen. The impurities and crude palm oil will be separated by twisting, and the impurities be transported back to the digester and press again. Reduce the oil waste. And then we use this plate filter to remove small impurities such as small fiber in the crude palm oil. Last step is vacuum drying. This is oil dry system. The crude palm oil pumped in the vacuum dryer and be heat to boil. The water vapor will go up to the oil water separator. Then falls down, be collect holdings. Our company is mainly produce edible oil equipment such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and so on. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. We welcome you visit us and communicate with us. We have its own factory, and we have many project cases. If you're interested in our equipment, we can send our private cases document for you. Welcome to our live show. Okay, this 3D surrounding video is showing our free installation 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. It constitutes of 3 containers and don't need more time to install it, so it can save you time, make you product quickly. Okay, next let's use picture to learn about the features, our features of our equipment. Okay. First, let's learn about the palm oil machine. The most important palm oil machine is the palm oil presser. We have 2 kinds of palm oil presser. The first is the single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. And it has 2 power systems to control. You can choose it according to your need. Diesel engine and motor system. This single screw palm oil presser suitable for home use and the palm oil production business starters. It can increase your product efficiency and give you better oil output, but it can't suitable production line, and it need worker to control inside pressure. so it's suitable for starters. But its process is cheap. Its advantage is low investment and a small footprint, not need more area to stay, and it's easy to operate. We can support worker training and technical support. The second type is the double screw palm oil presser. You can see it inside has 2 screws and it will move relative to each other. So then the palm oil will be discharged. And it inside pressure don't need worker. It has a hydraulic pump station and a reduce in the equipment. It has higher degree advantage and it has high oil yield. Can reduce the oil waste. This is our 2 kinds of palm oil presser. Guys, if you wanna get oil presser, we can support customization and we can transport it quickly. We have this machine in stock. Okay, next let's see the production line. We have the first production line is simple palm oil production line. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it's just constitute for 3 or 4 machine. First is a thresher. This is a simple type threshing machine. It has a semi-continuous. It can give you higher efficiency compared the traditional process. After threshing, we can get the palm fruit and these and our 2 kinds of palm oil presser. You can choose according to need. And after pressing, we can get the crude palm oil. And small investors. The simple palm oil production line advantage is don't need more area and it need lower investment. You can get high oil yield. Welcome guys, welcome to our live show. We are doing holes now. I'm using this picture to introduce the palm oil production line. We have if you need a single machine or production line, we have the 1 to 5 tons per hour small scale palm oil production line, and the medium and large scale palm oil production line. We support specialized customization. We can design selection guide according to need, and we can if you have some need or question, you can type them on comment area. I could introduce in this live show, and then can arrange a sales manager for you, give you selection guide, a free quotation or configuration plan for you. These services is free. Okay, the second type is small-scale palm oil press production line. Its capacity is 1 to 5 per hour. It includes entire process equipment such as sterilizer, digester, thresher, presser, vacuum dryer, and vibrating screen, clarification tank, steam boiler, and entire with small-scale palm oil production line entire process equipment has higher degree of automatic. We can provide the semi-continuous or fully continuous according to need. Okay, this is advantage. It don't need more price. You can invest, and it can give you high oil yield, high quality of this crude palm oil. The working process is like this picture. First step is sterilization. And after sterilization, the FFB fresh palm fruit bunches will be softened and easier to remove palm fruit. So the second step is threshing. Remove the palm fruit. Welcome to our live show. We are doing holdings now and introduce the palm oil production line, the process and equipment. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area or give us a follow. Our live show is once every 2 weeks. And if you are interested in our equipment, you can send a private message in the background, and the comment area has our contact information. Okay, the third step is digesting. Digesting is destroy the structure of palm fruit. The pressing uses oil presser. Its capacity is more than 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. Its equipment will be more completely, and the oil waste will be lowest. And in the production line at the kernel recovery station, after pressing, we can get crude palm oil, and in the medium and large scale palm oil production line, we also can get the pure palm kernel. You also can equip a palm kernel production line and get palm kernel oil. We also can provide equipment for you. Okay, this is the large-scale working process. First is unload. this is raw material reception station. The second still is sterilization and thrashing, digesting, and pressing the oil clarification. The last step is kernel recovery station. Will be split the kernel, the palm kernel shell, and palm kernel. We can get the pure palm kernel. This large-scale palm oil production line is suitable for large-scale palm oil mill plant. And we have more and we have the progress project in the different channel. You should have this refinery production line. We have 3 kinds of refinery production line. The first type is batch type palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is less than 20 tons per day. So it is suitable for small oil plants. Its advantage is low investment, small footprint, just need 100 to 200 square meter can put entire process refining the entire process the batch type palm oil refining machine, and it's easy to operate. If you choose our equipment, we can support technical support. And the batch type refining machine has 2 kinds of heating system: electric heating and conduction oil heating. The electric heating is the small scale in the batch type. Its capacity is 0.5 tons per day to 2 tons per day. And the other one, conduction oil heating, processing capacity is 1 to 20 tons per day. And after the batch type refining machine, you can get the standard palm oil. Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings, and the second type is the semi-continuous palm oil refining machine. It is deodorization section is carried out continuous. Use the deodorization tower to treat the crude palm oil. So it can save the refining time, give you higher efficiency, and it can reduce the oil waste, make the quality of oil more stable. The semi-continuous palm oil refining machine has a processing capacity is 5 to 30 tons per day. And the last one is a fully continuous palm oil refining machine. Its processing capacity is more than 30 tons per day. It's suitable for medium and large oil plants. The whole oil refining process is fully continuous, so don't need worker to control in the workshop. It has high degree of automation and high production capacity, lower labor cost, high quality of palm oil, low oil waste. This is its advantages. Okay guys, do you have any questions about our equipment, the refining machine, palm oil production machine, or other machine such as soybean oil machine, rapeseed oil machine, sunflower oil machine, sesame oil, rapeseed oil, and so on? If you need the single machine or production line, all we can provide for you. Okay, except the machine, we also can provide the fractionation, dewaxing, winterization machine. The fractionation machine processing capacity is 1 to 1,200 tons per day, and dewaxing winterization machine processing capacity is 1 to 600 tons per day. Okay, and if you need the soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and other edible oil refining machine, we also can support the chemical refining process. The physical refining process suitable for palm oil, palm kernel oil, and chemical refining process suitable for soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and so on. If you need these 2 kinds of refining process, or we can design equipment for you. Okay, the auxiliary machine, we also can provide the bottle boiling machine, rebridge, oil storage tank, and the large-scale cooking oil filling machine. We can have, and our company has the overseas warehouse in Nigeria, and we have the sales manager in our branch company. Okay, the next, let's see the 3D video again. Wait, I adjust my device. Guys, if you have some question, you can type them on comment area. The single machine and production line, we have. Okay, next let's see the 3D video again. This is a free installation palm oil production line, It just needs 3 containers can transport entire process equipment. Don't need more time to install. It can be put into production line as soon as possible. Okay, this video is showing the palm oil production line process. The first step is sterilization. The FFB be unloaded into the food cage, then the crane lifts food cage put into its sterilizer. This is our drum type thresher. It's 2.5 meters. The full cage can be removed cleaner. The palm fruit can be removed cleaner. After threshing, the palm fruit first be destroyed structure and then falls into the double screw palm oil presser. Be press, destroy crude palm oil, and then flow in the clarification, remove internal impurities by settle. With 2 equipment is clarification and filtering equipment. Last step is drying. Remove internal moisture. The palm oil can be stored longer time, and it will be storage stable. This video is 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. This production line equipment is more completely than the last one, and it has higher degree automatic This is biomass boiler. Second step is thrashing. Remove palm fruit from the palm fruit bunches. Then the third step is digesting the structure of palm fruit will be destroyed. Then use this double screw palm oil presser. Press crude palm oil. Next step is clarification and vacuum drying. Guys, do you have any questions? Our company will be end. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area and I will introduce for you. We are doing holdings. You also can give us a follow, or if you have some question want to know about, you can send a private message in the background and I will introduce in the next time. We can provide the edible oil equipment, palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, and so on. Many kinds of vegetable oil equipment we can provide, and we will arrange a sales manager for you, give you